Hey guys, Tech here with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the iPhone 12 Pro on iOS 15. As you can see, we updated this phone to iOS 15. The iPhone 12 Pro has a lot of great features, and it's been only a year it came out since the release of iPhone 13. iOS 15 came out, but this was just a year old phone, so it came out iOS 14 originally, and you're able to now update to iOS 15 like you would do with most phones. So we updated just to see how it is going to perform in terms of battery performance, if we're noticing any issues or lag. So the first thing you'll do is, if you haven't updated, simply to update it, go into settings and then just go to general software update, and you'll see the update. As you can see here, since we updated, there has been a .02 release to fix some bugs and security updates that Apple has sent out, so you can update it to 15.0.2 at the time of recording this video. And first thing you'll probably notice is probably around wallpaper. There's one new wallpaper Apple has added. Not sure why it's only one, but this is the only wallpaper we're seeing right now. So fully wish Apple would put more wallpaper, but that's the one wallpaper we see. So we changed it to that wallpaper. That's the first thing. Of course, there's a couple of neat features coming with iOS 15 here. So when you're downloading iOS 15, it's going to take you somewhere between half an hour to 45 minutes, depending on your Wi-Fi connection. We've seen some people be able to download and install even quicker. Again, all is going to depend on, even with the iPhone 12 Pro, which has a pretty beastly hardware in it. It has that A14 Bionic chip and 6 gigs of RAM. So when it comes to gaming and such, this phone is phenomenal. There's, of course, that whole 6.1 inch display here, although it is not the 60 hertz, it's 120 hertz refresh rate that the 13 lineup comes with. It does have a 60 hertz rate refresh rate on it. It has a 2532 by 1170 pixel resolution display, so it's a really bright display, not gonna lie there. It does have this ceramic shield front, and of course the back is gonna be glass as well with those triple camera on it. So the iPhone 12 Pro, again, it's top of the line. You're paying almost $1,000 phone, so not sure why you wouldn't be able to update it. Definitely you can update it. So after the update, of course, you're going to notice other things. There's going to be updates to the whole UI of the phone. You'll see that updates to a couple more applications. You can see here now we have the ability to do tabs. You notice the navigation bar going down here for the actual different browsing. So if you're browsing, it used to be on the top, and much more going on. You can now create these tab groups, do a lot more with it, which wasn't possible. Kind of a refresh of it, trying to make Safari a little bit better. There's also updates to the weather apps, as you'll notice here. A couple things happening in the weather app. There's a notification, new layout design, and being able to now explore things like air quality, temperature map, precipitations, and much more. So if you hit that, and you'll start to notice cleaner UI, which again is really simplified. I think this design is definitely cleaner look, and you're able to do that. Of course, there's updates to map as well, such as interactive globe. Now you have all city experience, immersed walking directions that you to use their maps as much as they can. So that's going to be one thing you'll notice here. As you can see here, this globe, because of the 6 gig 14 Bionic chip, it just renders that globe really quick, and you're able to just explore like if you had a physical globe. A lot of unique features here. Of course, you notice things out here around the guides and much more, which you can explore with. And there's going to be updates to other things like the wallet app. So if you use the wallet app, it's another the ability to add keys and your car keys, hotel keys, and then also your identification. You can add things like your driver's license, passport, and much more, so you can take advantage of that. So overall, neat features. There could definitely have been more added feature, but that's kind of the main features. The one other feature that's pretty neat is being able to now send FaceTime link to anyone. So you can now send them this link, they can join, and you can create one. And pretty much anyone that, whether they have iPhone or not, doesn't matter. As you know, with everything going virtual, Apple is really trying to get you to leverage or use your phone for work as much as possible. Speaking of work, you have other things like the focus mode. That was another feature that came on with the iPhone on iOS 15 update. Now you have the ability to set your personal work and sleep mode as well. So that's another cool feature. So overall, performance wise, we haven't seen any issues. It's been optimal, same as iOS 14. That's good. The battery life, again, the same thing. We haven't seen any drop in battery life. You'll probably notice this is at 100%. It's because it's one of our phones that we use it to demo different things. So battery life has been consistent. The iPhone 12 Pro has a nice battery, a 2815 mAh battery. Of course, could be a little bit better, but this battery does hold up well. So that's kind of our experience of the iPhone 12 Pro on iOS 15. Want to hear from you guys if you guys updated to iOS 15 on your iPhone. Leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.